Hello students, today I am going to explain how will you plot the graph in optics experiment. Here this is the experiment of 2017. In this you have to find the values of V for different values of U starting from U equals to 70, and then for these values of U you have to record values of V. After recording values of V, we will calculate x and y according to this. Here x is u plus v upon 100 and y uv upon 10. Then we have to tabulate, means make a table consisting 4 columns, one for u, one for v, one for x and one for y. Then you have to draw a graph of y versus x, determine its slope m up to 3 significant figure, and then capital F. Here in nothing has been mentioned that for the intercept that determine y when x equals to 0. So we can change the origin. Here you can see in this table values of u, v, x and y are shown. So since we can change origin, therefore what will you do? You will plot x from minimum to maximum, y also from minimum to maximum. So here minimum value you can take 0.500 and this you can take 0.900. So from 0.500 to 0.900 along x-axis. 0.500, this you can take 0.600, 0.700, 0.800, 0.900. You have to select the scale so that how much portion is covered? 3/4 part of the graph is covered. If you see the minimum and maximum here from 80 to 130. 80 to 130 means there is a difference of 50. So you can do like this. This you can take here 80. Then this you can take 90. Then 100. 110, 120, 130. Now you determine the least count along x-axis and along y-axis. What is along x-axis? What is the difference? 0.1. There are how many divisions? 20. So it will be 0.01 upon 2, that is 0.005. And along y-axis, you can see what is the difference along y-axis, 90 to 100, 10, and divisions are 20. So 10 upon 20, that is 0.5. Now we will plot. So you can see here first observation is 0.573 on x-axis. So 0.573 you can see here 0.573. If you see here, already there is 0.500. कितना बच गया? 0.073. किससे डिवाइड कर दे? लीस्ट काउंट से 0.005. देयर विल बी हाउ मेनी डिविजन्स? 15. 0.5 के आगे 15 डिविजन्स मीन्स दिस विल बी द पॉइंट. Corresponding to this, y is what? 81.9. 81.9, that is, you can see here 80 तो यहाँ तक है, बचा कितना? 1.9. And for 1.9 there will be how many divisions? लगभग 4 divisions. Means 4 divisions here. This will be the point. Point will be this. It's clear? Now after this, you can see here x value is 0.623. 0.623 means 0.6 के कितने आगे? 0.023. And for 0.023, how many divisions when you divide by this? 5 divisions. So it is this. Corresponding to this, what is y? Y is 89.2. 89.2 means 80 के आगे 9.2. 9.2 upon 0.5. So when you will calculate, it is 18.4 division. So we will take only 18 division. So 18 division here, it will be equal to here this point. It's clear? Then you can see here 0.701. 0.701 means the same point. This will be 0.701. And for this you have to plot 100.5. Means 100.5 means 100 के आगे 1 division. This will be 100.5. Then 0.793. 0.793. So you can see here 0.7 is this. How much is left? 0.093 is left. When you will divide 0.005, that is 19 division. 19 5 ja 95. So 19 division means it will be this, somewhere it is this. It's clear? And for this you have to plot 115.8. 115.8 means 110 के आगे कितना? 5.8. When you will divide by 0.5, so it will be nearly 12 division. 12 5 just 60. So see here, you plot 12 division, it is this, then it will be this point. After that, here 0.881. 0.881 means you can see 0.8 के आगे कितना और 0.081. Least count is this 0.005. So it means 16 divisions. So you can see here 16 divisions. This is 10, 15, 1, 16. And corresponding to this you have to plot 126.7. 126.7. So you can see here 120 is up to here. How much is left? 6.7. So it will be equal to 13 5 ja. So 13 divisions. So you can see here, if I show you, it will be somewhere, this is 10 and this point. Then after that we have to draw the best fit line. Best fit line means which passes through these points. These points I am darkening. Means all the points should lie almost in same line. If they are not lying, then some points should lie in one side and some points in the other side. Best fit line का मतलब ये नहीं है that joining initial and final point. It's clear? So here it is approximately best fit line. Maximum number of plotted points should lie on the line. Now see here, you encircle these points. 1, 2, 4. Here only one point is going outside the line. After that you have to determine the slope up to 3 significant figure. So slope, I know that we know that slope is determined by delta y upon delta x by taking any 2 points other than this and separated at a far distance. So you can take one point, this corresponding to 0.6. So when you will plot it, this will be what? Here 11 divisions. It comes in between 11 and 12, but you will take 11. So 11.5.5, that is 85.5. It will be 85.5. Then you can take here you can see So it is how many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2, 122. This is 122. And this is what? 0.850. So you determine the slope. So slope m, here slope is represented by m. M equals to delta y upon delta x. So you can see here, what is delta y here? Delta y 122 minus 85.5. Divided by delta x 0.85 minus 0.6. 0.850 minus 0.600. When you will calculate it, it will come out that I am showing you 122 minus 85.5. So it is 36.5. This is 0. Divided by 0.250. So it is 146. It comes out 146 centimeter, because in centimeter square upon centimeter. So what will be F? In the question paper it is given F is m upon 10. Correct up to 1 decimal please. So m upon 10, that is 146 upon 10, that is 14.6 centimeter. So I hope that you have understood how will you plot the graph in the experiments of optics. Now in the next lecture I will explain you how will you plot the graph in experiments of electricity. Thank you.